Welcome back. Wallet investing. Subscribe, comment, drop a like. It's your favorite VTuber, Wallet here. It's quite a eventful week, so let's look at our trades. So invest at your own risk. Make sure you do your research. These are not financial advice. So let's look at my portfolio this week. Very similar holdings. Like I mentioned before, I cut out some of the smaller holdings. As a matter of fact, ASML is next on my chopping block, and even Alibaba will be on my chopping block soon. Probably this one as well. Don't want to see it. Trying to concentrate my stocks on the assets that can use as a mean for option trading. And here are my options: still the lip call and the wicks. Let's look at this week. This week, because of the Ukrainian and Russian conflict, not gonna get into too much politics here. There are quite a lot of fear in the market, and I'm really not sure where it will go. So I was a little bit extra cautious when entering some of these trades. Like for example, when it was let's see here. So I actually started trading on after President's Day, Feb 22nd. Just the normal. I didn't quite do a cover call just yet on Nvidia because it was too far. It was too far out. It's like $230 ish. I was hoping that it would rise a little bit before I do my normal 265 cover call, which is my cost basis. I want to lose the stocks, but at the same time, I'll be very willing to take Nvidia at this such a low price. It's such a bargain for me because I'm super bullish. So I did cash secure puts, and similar thing for AMD. This one is for actually I forgot AMD stock. AMD just kind of like a regular thing, expecting a little slightly more volatility in this one, so I set the strike price a little bit higher, and especially given the conflict, I wasn't sure where the market would go, so a little bit safer. I want to keep the assets to keep generating values for me. The next one, Snap, is one of my recent favorites. Very good after it turns profitable for the first time. The trend seems to be quite around this range, so I'm really comfortable allocating less than 10 grand to perform option trading on it. So I did two puts, 36 puts. It's still way lower than any value that's after it became profitable. So it's a really safe trade in my opinion, and that got me two of the $68 ones was like $100 plus. So it's a really good deal because of the relatively high volatility of the stock. And that's the second day actually, because the first day I think it was dropping pretty hard. Yeah, I think it was here, approximately here. Yeah, I didn't want to go too close to it because, like I said, the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. I actually I actually found out some strategies that I might apply on Snapchat this week. Iron Condor, because I think there's not much catalyst to propel it beyond these boundaries at the very moment, but more on that later. Next one is on Apple, just a normal cost basis cover call, and did it on 24th because I think the first couple of days it was dropping pretty hard, and it doesn't. A cover call wouldn't give me much money anyway, so I didn't do it. It still didn't give me much. It's $6. And yeah, like I said, it's quite far away from the strike price, so only $2 for the cover call on Nvidia. I was waiting for a few days hoping it will go back up, but it didn't. That's okay. It's assets. Keeps generating values. And look at these two trades right here. They are right before the market closed, as you can see here, like 1 hour-ish. The reason for that is because I feel like most of the movements already happened and there are no extra catalyst, and my strike price was pretty far. From let's see, so it was 222 puts and then we have a 265 cover call, so I wrote both down to closer to the actual price just to squeeze out a little bit more, because I find it to be pretty safe for this time. Not recommended in general though. So at the last day it was like 240 something. My put was at 220. I could safely roll it up a little bit, and then my cover call was at 260 something. I can roll it down a little bit to get a little bit more premium in the last hours. So yeah. In total this week we got $500. Pretty decent for such a market emotion. Also did a Bilibili cover call 34.5. Yeah, I think I was waiting for a rise before I do that cover call. That's why I didn't do it on the first day. I did it a little bit later. It didn't come, but doesn't really matter to me. Still assets, generates values, I'm bullish. That's why I hold. Enough reason for me. Next week, I'm gonna do a little bit more things to Palantir. Maybe do it with Iron Condor, because the stock price has been here for quite a while, and recently there are some, given the conflicts, I feel like people might put more attention to stocks like this. Palantir is basically a high-tech military stock, if you ask me. Also relatively low share price, so pretty easy to apply options on. You don't need much capital. That's why it's quite attractive for me to try options on. And in a few days, I think I'm going to get a few more Google stock and get a few more Microsoft stock. Just as not this one, Microsoft stock. Just as my regular monthly investing routine. And very soon I can get to 100 shares of Microsoft. Not too far away. We already passed the half point. And Google, we need 3 more before it splits, and then we will generate profits with it. Cool. This is the chart from last time, didn't update it, but that's the video for today and this week. See you guys next week. Take care. Happy trading.